Hello, my dear viewers and the rest of the listeners. Today, EMELISWAP ICT YouTube channel is very much privileged to have received a gift from YouTube, having performed very well in the education channel in Kenya and also in Africa. EMELISWAP ICT was chosen to be one of the most outstanding and upcoming channels in the education sector or education content. Therefore, today, we are privileged to have received this gift. And I also don't know what it is all about. So we are going to open it and see what it contains. So let's see the gift that EMELISWAP ICT YouTube channel has received. Here it is. You can have a look. So let's see what is here. The gift is sealed by labels called brand addition. EMELISWAP ICT YouTube channel is a brand in Kenya, in Africa. It is also coming up very well across the globe for trainees, students in high schools, colleges, universities, etc. Just visit EMELISWAP ICT YouTube channel to see why the channel has received this wonderful gift. So let's see. My dear viewers, don't get tired. I hope you are as anxious as ourselves here. So let's see. We are also seeing it for the first time. We don't know what it is. Let's see. There is something here. So let's remove this. Okay, place that one there. Remember, we are also discovering what EMELISWAP ICT brand has received from YouTube. Here is the label. We have a label here, or a form. What does it say? Brand addition. Cast number 4651793. Brand addition limited. That is shipped from Andres. Brand addition Andres. Broadway House, Trafford Watt Road, Manchester, United Kingdom. United Kingdom. Shipping address, Julius Meme M. Lingera, PO Box 1260 Meru. This has been the presenter of the content that you have been listening to, EMELISWAP, Julius Meme. So today, you are also getting to know who runs EMELISWAP ICT YouTube channel. And my co-assistant here, the technical person behind the scenes. Okay? So, what is boxed? What is this? This is gifted box YouTube Shorts sweater, pastel green lunch, pastel green lunch. Let's see what is now here. You can see YouTube Shorts sweater pastel lunch. So it is a sweater, but how does it look like? Let's see. Let's see what is here. Remember, we are also seeing it for the first time. So you are as curious as me, right? Let's go. Spring on shorts. And for the first time, there is YouTube identification label here. And what does it read behind? It says a little something to brighten up your day. Thank you and congratulations for completing the Spring on Shorts challenge. We loved seeing your content and are excited to see you wearing your sweat shirt. Your team, YouTube. So they are also excited as me. Let's see. And you will see EMELISWAP ICT presenter wearing YouTube sweater for the first time. I don't know whether it will fit me or not. Let's see. Let's go. So here we are. Direct from YouTube. Have a look. Hey. Are you as excited as me? Here it is. You see? we let it fit me. Let's go. Let's see this. I want to wear the sweater. I'm wondering whether it is my size. Wacha nitengenezwe. No, I want to be dressed nicely, no? You see here, ladies and gentlemen, and this is now EMELISWAP ICT content creator. Let me put this shirt nicely. Now let me allow my technical expert to go behind the camera and look at me to see how I look like. She's excited like me. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank YouTube company for seeing it worthy to award EMELISWAP ICT YouTube channel the first gift. This is in addition to other goodies that the channel has been receiving. And this is purely courtesy of you, my dear viewers, learners, trainers, lecturers, and the rest of the academicians. The achievement today is not because of MMJM, who is speaking to you, but it is purely because of you. My dear listeners, my dear viewers, keep on supporting this channel. If you have not joined this channel to learn computing, I kindly request that now it has been approved by the YouTube that it is one of the best educational channels for computing or information communication technology, just click below this video. You see EMELISWAP ICT, and there is a button below here for subscribe. Just click on it, share the channel, and use the content this channel because it is professionally designed. It is content that is proven for trainees learning computing, that is students in high schools, those who are doing great at various levels. The content is for high schools, not only in Kenya, but in various other countries across the globe. The colleges, the trainers or trainees or candidates in colleges, students in universities, and any other sector where computing is learned. So, my dear viewers, ladies and gentlemen, keep on supporting this channel. This gift is not for me, it is not for my technical team, but it is for all of us. Thank you very much for having continuously supported EMELISWAP ICT YouTube channel. Welcome and thank you. Bye. Let's meet behind the scenes in the channel.